Welcome to this week's episode of the Weekly Walkthrough, where each week I feature a home or a property that I think is a great opportunity. Today's home is located in Surprise, Arizona, in the Mattamy Homes community of Aria Ranch. There are 139 home sites here that Mattamy started building in February of 2022, and they are now all complete. So they are closing out this community, and there are some amazing builder incentives that I'm going to be showing you today and that we are going to be talking about. They have 5 quick move-in homes in here as of the day I'm filming this, which is October 24th, 2023, 2 of which are model homes. So they're highly upgraded, and quick move-in means that these homes are complete and ready to move into right now. I'm going to be taking you through the Ashcroft model, which is right here behind me, but the other model is right next door, and I'll be talking to you about that as well. So let's get started. So this is the Ashcroft model. This home is offered at $739,999. It's 3 bedrooms, 2.5 baths. It's a 3-car garage. It's tandem, 2,275 square feet on a 7,200 square foot lot, and it also has a pool. So let's head inside and take a look. I love these quartz countertops. These cabinets are these maple rye 42-inch cabinets, really beautiful. Gas appliances, KitchenAid, big sink. And since it's a model home, you have a lot of upgrades. The landscaping is done front and back. You've got custom cabinetry in this den area that's all built out. Love this laundry room that is a pass-through to your primary bedroom. Closet here, that's really nice. Really pretty tile flooring. Your HOAs are only $90 a month in here. That covers all of the common area, as well as they have a basketball court, lots of green space, and a little play structure. The school system that you're going to be a part of is Dysart Unified School District. That is super close by. You have Sunset Hills Elementary and Middle School. That's 1.6 miles away from here. Also, your high school is Shadow Ridge High School, and that's 3.1 miles away from here. Also, you have Traditional and Paradise Honors that are charter schools that are less than a mile away. So all of your schools are super close in here. Your nearest hospital is Banner Del Webb Medical Center, and that's only 8 miles away. Also, Honor Health Complete Care is just over 3 miles away, and that's like an urgent care. Your shopping is the Prashada Shopping Center. That is a 700,000 square foot commercial retail area that's less than 3 miles away, which also has a Costco and a Sprouts. There's a Walmart there. Fat Cats, which is a movie theater, arcade, bowling alley, all in one. If you're into sports, you are less than 2 miles from Sterling Grove, and that's a golf course that is an 18-hole golf course, public. 8 miles from any kind of spring training, we have the Texas Rangers and the Kansas City Royals that are near what's called Surprise Lake, and there's also Surprise Community Park there, where there's an entire racquetball complex for tennis and pickleball. You are 14 miles from the Glendale Sports and Entertainment District, which has outlet stores. Also, Westgate has tons of shopping. State Farm Stadium is there, Top Golf, you name it. 35 miles to Phoenix Sky Harbor, 2 hours to Flagstaff and Prescott Sedona. Luke Air Force Base is just 8 miles from here, and you are also close to the White Tank Regional Park, and the World Wildlife Zoo here is less than 5 miles away. You are 5 minutes from the 303, and that runs north-south from this community. That will take you to the I-17, and the I-10 gets you anywhere you want to go in the Phoenix area. They also have the Martina model home for sale, which is currently listed at $779,999. That home is 500 square feet larger than this particular home. That is 2745 square feet. It's 4 bedrooms and 3 baths, and also it's highly upgraded because it's a model home. If you like the model, they also have a quick move-in home available that has the casita. So again, that's the Martina model, 2745 square feet, 4 bedrooms, 3 baths. The quick move-in home that's besides the model home has the casita option. In addition, they have, to these 2 model homes that are here, you also have quick move-in homes. There's 2 that are available that are called the Navarro floor plan, which is $28.94, so even bigger than the Martina option. That one has 4 bedrooms, 2.5 baths, and then they have that Martina model that has the casita. So here's what I love about these homes right now. In addition to being in this fantastic area of Surprise, the incentives for a builder closeout are amazing right now. $15,000 off the list price right now for these homes, and also an additional 6% off of the base price of these homes can be applied towards buying down your rate when we have these really high interest rates right now, or closing costs if you use Mattamy's lender. So that's roughly anywhere between $30,000 and $40,000 of incentives that are being offered right now, which is amazing. So Thanks for joining me today. I hope you enjoyed this beautiful model home. If you want to walk through it, I would love to take you through it. If you want any more information on the incentives and talking about making an offer, I would love to chat with you about that. My name is Michelle Seymour, and I am an Arizona realtor that covers the area west of Phoenix, also known as the West Valley. And I get phone calls from people just like you that are thinking about making the move here to Arizona. So if that's you and you're thinking about moving in the next day, week, or even month from now, please reach out. You can send me an email, a text, or give me a phone call. I'd be more than happy to help. Also, if this is your first time to the channel, please be sure to subscribe and hit that bell for notifications so that you can be the first to learn about anything new that's happening here in Arizona. Until next time, thanks for joining me today.